Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have two fun, exciting products to share with you today. One is a Flip It card that I have totally changed, which is really exciting. You might have something similar that I designed for the other company a long time ago, but it didn't have these fun dots with it. So I'm going to share that with you. And actually, let's do it now and then the other product I have to share with you is a brand new item we've never done before. So, the suspense is killing me. But what I want to do is I want to show you a Flip It card because I haven't shown you a Flip It card in a while, I feel like. And this one is really fun because it has these special magic panels. What? Say what? Okay, so first, the most important die in the kit is the large die, right? That's the die. That's gonna make the card base. So we're gonna bring our machine over and we are going to grab some cardstock. We are going to lay that down and we're just gonna run that through. Now, yeah, we're just gonna lay that down and we're going to run that baby through the machine, just like that. And I got to push, there we go, push that in there. This is a brand new machine, so it's still not happy about the other platform in it, but it's getting there. Okay, by next month it'll be perfect. Okay, so now here we have our card base cut out. We're gonna leave it alone. And then I'm going to add these, and let me show you this because I really want you to see this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay that there, and I want you to see these fun pieces here. What we have here is we have these dies. I'm going to lay this down. And what we're going to do is, can they hear that? It's my phone. Oh, stupid dad. Okay. We're going to take these dies. And the cool part about these is they're kind of like magic dies. Why do I say that? Well, if I ran them through just like this, they cut out just like that. And we could add them to our card and they'd be awesome, right? But what if I took the extra pieces and I laid those down just like that, and I'm gonna lay this one down just like this, and now I have a different kind of die. I'm gonna lay that down, I'm gonna put them a little bit at an angle, and I'm going to run this through. Now, this is a lot of blade. Every little hole there is another blade. That is a lot of blade. You know what we're gonna do is we're gonna run them through and then back through because we wanna make sure we get those cut. You know why? We do not wanna go poke, 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 poke 1,000 times. Can you imagine? Because there's a lot of holes in there. We do not wanna do that. So you're just gonna run it through twice. And now what we have, dun 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 dun, dun dun dun, is we have a cleaning lady's nightmare. Ready? And we're gonna flick this. Hang on, let me flick it down here because I don't vacuum here and I would feel a little bad. And if I flicked it enough, they're all cut, but I'm not gonna spend all the time flicking it. You can also poke, 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 but we're not gonna spend all that time. So now we have this one. And now, oh, that one almost came out all by itself. Okay, so we're gonna flick it a couple times, move this off to the side, add these layers. Now, I should have added adhesive to the back of these with my adhesive sheets, but live and learn. You'll do that, not me. Okay, so we're gonna add these, and you would poke all yours out. We're gonna add this one right here. And we're gonna add this one right here. And then we're gonna fold it. So we're gonna lay that right there. See how it layers perfectly on there? We're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold it in the air, not on your table, in the air. Big bottom, little top. We're gonna fold it in half towards us. Take that top flap and fold it up, and then turn it to the left, the little side's on the left, and look at that. Isn't that awesome? So easy. It also comes with circle scallops to decorate it. Okay, so it comes with that to decorate the inside. So easy peasy. And I have some fun samples to share with you that I'm going to share with you right now because I think it's important that you see them. So what we have here is we have this one is really cute. Hello, my friend. Open it up from our other circle, flip it. Isn't that awesome? So pretty and so blue. I love that one. Here's another one. Oh, bees. Oh my goodness gracious. Is that the cutest thing you ever saw in your life? It looks like a beehive. I love it. So cute. Now this, oh, have a bubblicious day. Look at that. Isn't that fun? And, oh, a leprechaun one. Oh, the leprechaun is going to start getting popular again because it's almost that time. Oh gosh, I hope we have enough in stock. Don't look, don't go look. Oh no. Oh, and I love this. I want you to notice this right off the bat. On both of these, the designer only used the dots on one side. You don't have to use it on both. Just use the dots on one side, which is really fun. There's a cute picnic one. Here's a cute unicorn one. Oh, here's a cute fox one. Look how fun. Totally different each and every time. Do not worry, be happy. There's Kenny holding a donut. Yum. So fun. Now, that is our scalloped circle flip it. So easy peasy. We're going to move that off to the side because the next thing I have to share with you is a brand new item I've never done before. And I'm really excited about it because some of these products you might already have. And what does that mean? That means you're going to buy the paper pads separately. But it has come to our attention that all of our club members love that in our card kits, we have papers that match our dies, which are really fun because sometimes you don't have time to stamp and color and do all of that. We've colored it all for you. We've shaded it for you. You just cut it out and go and make that card. So what if we designed, and that's what I did here, I designed an entire paper pad using our dies. Let's look at it here. So here we have the cute little flower. We're going to open this up. And I tried to always remember to put the name of the dies. If you don't have these dies, don't worry. It comes in the kit. So if you have some of these dies, you're going to buy them separately, buy the paper pad separately. If not, you're going to buy the kit. The kit also comes with a pack of adhesive sheets, which is exciting. And it's at an awesome price. So look at this. So we have our Crazy Daisy dies. So there's our Crazy Daisy dies. And there's the flowers to cut them out. And we have different colors. So we have this color, the pink and the yellow, and then we have the pink and the green. So they're all different. Ooh, then we have solids. And then we have large flower dies, and that's this one. So now you can take those dies and lay those on top. They're all colored for you, all different pretty colors. And there's solids and there's dots on the back. So if you're like, oh, I just need a little piece. Now look at this. Our squirrel with wagon. Here's our squirrel with wagon. Now you can die cut him. Look at the cute flowers already done for you. Pink wagon, brown wagon, gray squirrel. You get to mix and match. Blue wagon. Ooh, more. This is our medium flower set. And it comes in the kit. So if you buy the kit, you have everything you need except you have everything. Adhesive, I guess you'd need it. Well, no, we're giving you adhesive. I guess you need nothing else. A die cut machine. You need a die cut machine. Look at how gorgeous I made these flowers, and I added little patterns to the leaves. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get home and play with this one. Now, what am I talking about? Let's try one. And I have a hair right here, and it's driving me nuts, and I'm gonna go crazy. Okay, let's grab one of these right now. And, oh, I wanna do this one. Okay, so I'm going to grab this one, and it's yellow on the back if I needed some yellow, but I'm going to kind of clean this up a little bit. I'm going to lay that down, and I am using the magnetic platform. If you do not have a magnetic platform, you are going to use washi tape. Now, I have a lot of little pieces in here, and what I'm going to, well, this one's not so bad. Let's find one that has more, like this one, for example. This one, these little leaves and these little flowers, I don't want to try to add adhesive to the back of those, so I'm going to use the adhesive sheets. And we mainly gave you the adhesive sheets on this one because we want you to try them. So you're getting an extra awesome value on this kit. So it might even be still cheaper if you have one of these die sets. It might still be cheaper for you to buy the whole kit and get an extra die set and give it away as a friend, to a friend. I don't know, you'd have to do the math. But here we go. I'm going to lay this adhesive sheet on the back, just like this. Look at that. Fantastic. And let's die cut some flowers, because you know I'm a flower girl. I love flowers. So we're going to lay these down, and we are going to get the Crazy Daisy. And we are going to lay this one down. Let's lay that one right there. And so we got that one. And now we want to lay some of the little flowers. So let's do the little leaves. Oh, we're going to have to move that a little. So let's move that down. This is where you get to play. So if you feel like, oh, I'm not a good color, I can't do it, it's just awful, I'm not good, you're gonna love this kit, okay? You really are. Now, if your magnetic platform moves some of those flowers, never fear. What you're gonna do is you're just going to use some washi tape. So let's find some more. Oh, not that one here, this one. I'm gonna lay that one there. And let's see, this one. Oh, that one I didn't use. Oh, this one. We're gonna lay that one there. Look at that, isn't that awesome? Now, for some strange, crazy reason, these aren't even moving, which is even better. So we're gonna grab a cutting pad. And does a little one fit? Look at that, look at that. Okay, we're going to run all of that through. Give it a push. There we go. And we're gonna run that all through. I know, isn't this awesome? So we're calling that, I thought I was calling it the Cut It Up pad, but apparently I changed the name. It's called Cut Them Up. So, okay, fine, I changed it. Sometimes I never know what I'm doing. Okay, now, we have adhesive on the back of these, so there's one cute little flower. There's one leaf, and I'll pull those out in a minute. There's another one, and then we're gonna get this cute little flower out of here. Look at that cute little flower. Isn't that fun? Isn't that fun? I know, I love this. Okay, and now you get to just play. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna poke these guys out. Sometimes they'll fall out, sometimes I just do that. And oh, see, it does, it falls out. Okay, so let's just give that one, because sometimes I'm too lazy to find my poker. Let's see, let's poke it out that way. And it has the adhesive on the back, so you can just peel that up right there and then put that, and it comes out. Look at that. Look at that leaf. Now we got to add it to something. Oh, I have to show you my samples too. Okay, so in the meantime, let's add these leaves right here because I already cut them out. So let's add a leaf there. And let's add a flower here. So here's a card. Oh my gosh, this is such a mess you can't even see, can you? Okay, so here's this. Let's add this. Let's add this flower. Oh my gosh, this I could literally play with this all day long, because all the colors really go well together. We really kept the color palette the same, so it's through and through pretty much all the same. And then we have this extra flower, but let me show you my samples. Look how fun that is. So open it up. This is on our exclusive Flip It. Ooh, look at this one. Look at the dots. Look at the dots. I love that. Isn't that fun? So I hope you guys like this idea of doing the Cut Them Up pad, because I'm thinking we might need more of these. Aren't you? Aren't you? We want to hear from you. Post on our Facebook or our Instagram and let us know if you love these. We want to hear about it. That's fun. And I love how I did those flowers. I'm telling you, when you see those up close, you're really going to love those. Here's a cute one. Oh my gosh. Sometimes it's just so fast and easy. Look, all those flowers are done, colored, ready to go for you. And that's a different one that goes somewhere else. But isn't that, oh, here's another one. So cute. I love that. This is a mix and match with the spring one already. And that one is totally not even supposed to be in here either. Whatever. Thank you so much. Go check out the Cut Them Up pad. It's going to be awesome. And the dies, fantastically enough, last you forever. There are also stamps that match some of those as well. Okay, so go check those out. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.